YouTube, Eric DIY with another review for you. Today we're reviewing the Sofirn SP32A 1550 lumen professional LED flashlight. In the box you have the LED flashlight itself. You also have a USB charger, and it comes with a micro USB cable to charge it with. It also has a nice lanyard. It also comes with an extra weatherproofing gasket and directions. Flashlight itself is powered by this 3000 milliamp hour lithium ion included battery, size 18650. It's 3.7 volts, and it goes right in, and you just screw it right on. I haven't had to charge this since I fully charged it, and I've used it quite a lot, so it is a long-lasting battery. It also has a nice clip on it for your belt. It's built with all metal. It's really well built. Again, it's the SP32A flashlight, and they warn you that it gets a little hot. It's not like scalding hot. They're just going to warn you that when you do run this for a while, it does give off a little bit of heat. Reading the directions does matter because they have different modes on this. However, I'm going to show you the different modes when we take this outside to show you how bright it can really get. It's actually really bright for a flashlight. It's an awesome multi-use flashlight. Before we take this outside, just want to show you that it has one LED diode in the middle there, and that actually can shine at different levels of brightness, but it is really bright at full brightness. And it's nice to have the functionality of different levels of brightness, so that way you can tailor it to whatever you're using it for. Just a disclaimer that this camera doesn't pick up the flashlight at its full brightness. I've adjusted it for the maximum brightness I can get out of it, but it's still not as bright as it is in real life. It has a really good representation of it though. So right now it's pitch black because we're in my backyard, and we're going to point the flashlight towards my son's swing set, which also has a reclining chair. And this is lighting up practically the whole thing. So just to show you, I'm going to scan it left and right, and you can see that it's pretty bright. On the grass there, that beam's actually a little bit wider than what it's showing on the camera, and you can clearly see all the trees in the backyard. We're also going to pan this, so let's just follow the light here. We'll pan it across the yard. See his toys over there, more trees, and it's lighting up a lot. There's my work shed, and I'm going to go back. There you go. So it's a really bright light. There's also a tree that I can show you over here, and that tree's about a good, I'd say about 40 feet away, and the bright just penetrates it like no problem. You can also see the fire pit that we have over there. Then we can even see the stone wall. It actually lights up the neighbor's house over there, so I'm going to quickly move it. And so it's doing a very nice job. 1550 lumens. Now, we're also in a little bit of muggy conditions. We have some rain coming in, and I can see the condensation through the light as well. So that is also a factor, but this light is bright. The reason why it's important to read the directions here is because they have two different group settings, okay? Group 1 is just when you have 4 different levels of light. So you have to turn it on with a click. That's low, medium, high, extra high. You can see that's pretty bright. And to turn it off, we just hold that button down to turn it off. Okay? To make it go to the second setting in the directions, it says from on, so there we go, it's on. Press and hold the switch for 3 seconds, and it'll have 3 blinks to confirm. So I'm going to hold it down. 2, 3, and now we're on the new setting. And what that setting is you just hold the button down, and it'll gradually go low and high. And then if you want to go back to setting 1, you go to the high, medium high to high, and then you'll hold and press the switch for 3 seconds, and it'll have 3 blinks to confirm. Okay, I set it to the other setting now. We're on what they call ramping up setting. It's going to go from low to high, and all you do is you push the button once and hold it down, and it's going to go from low to high gradually. And now, seeing that we're at the highest setting, we're going to hold down the button again, and it'll go down from high to low. They also have turbo and strobe settings. All in all, the Sofirn SP32A flashlight is excellent. I would say that it's very bright. It's very versatile with its different modes of brightness. I wouldn't consider the things I'm about to say cons, but I would say that where its weakest points are would probably be just learning how to go between the different settings on the LED flashlight. It takes a little practice to do that, and you do have to read the directions to learn the full functionality of the light. I will definitely be carrying this around as a backup around the house. It will be great for storms, be great as a backup flashlight for when I'm flying during my lessons, and also in the future when I become a private pilot. So overall, I highly recommend the Sofirn LED flashlight. Again, it's just a little bit of a learning curve to use it, but once you have it, it's very versatile and worth it. If you'd like to purchase your Sofirn SP32A LED flashlight, please look for a link in the description below. We'll send you to Amazon. We can purchase your very own. Every purchase will help support the Eric DIY channel. We appreciate all your support. If you like this video and you want to see more like it, please give us a thumbs up and push that subscribe button. Also, while you're there, push on the bell notification icon so that way you'll be notified of future Eric DIY releases. And as always, have a great evening. As always, if you like this video, found it useful, please subscribe. And if you have a product that you would like reviewed, please contact Eric by emailing him at eric5150diy@gmail.com. Have a great day.